That's the Burnett, would be Games 23, welcome back to Fran Bow. I fainted again. What if my dreams are true? Master won't let me go home. Find the maze. Whatever. I don't even know what it is. Hey! Going! Alright. Oh, poor girls, I hope they get well soon. Alright, up like this. It's Ward. It's Ward. What that means. Alright. Alright, what's that right here? Hello? Oh, you're listening? Could you puke? That's disgusting. I don't have it in. Oh boy. Have your brain out. Wait, what was this one again? I forgot. I just forgot. Okay, there's nothing. Just stuff. Just nothing. Alright. Hello? Yes, I took the new one upstairs. Fran Bow, haven't seen her. Wait, what? The key to the cellar? Well, no. Doctor's office used to have the key in there. No, the key is not here. Surely you know if it turns up. Yes, I'll bring it to you if I find it. Right, bye. Okay, so... yeah, okay. At the end of the maze, okay, so... I'm gonna just go back here so she doesn't see me. Ooh, oh, the key was here after all. I better take it back. Hey, so now I have the secret code, which, December 17th, that is 29, July 25th, that's 32, so 2932. 2932. 2, 9, 30. Yep, okay. Oh, crap. Okay, we can leave. Uh-oh. Better go. You better leave. You little bitch. I'm gonna pay for what you did. You clever little girl. Do you think you could just leave? The heck? What's a Kepi? No. What the? Little cat on a unicycle. Good job. How does he get to the maze? Follow the cat. Hey. What are you doing? Oh. Wake up! Following this cat through a maze. Crap. I lost him. Stopping. Oh, I lost him now. The heck is that? Yeah, I'm gonna skip through this, because I don't know. They'll hunt you with laugh. Hello, little kitty. But there will always be a good side. A cat full of nuts and bolts. A cat, that's actually a good title. He will always be your guide. Crap. Chapter 2, Part 1, Curiosity Symptoms. Goodness, that was close. What? Yeah. Sorry about that. Oh, well, please, I hope I find Mr. Midnight soon. What's this? Why did I pick up that? I was like, what the? There's a bunch of stuff here. Oh, yeah. I need that thing, I think, for a door. That's why I picked it up. Alright. Try the pills. Basically, nothing. Try the pills. Whoa. Oh, hey, look, a key. Gonna need this. Gonna have to yard to these. Oh, I like to be curious, otherwise, how will you learn things? Anyway, why don't you allow me to take the key? What are you? The right question is, what is the right question, and why should be more appropriate? I want the key. I don't have time to chat, sir. I want the key, that's all. Oh, but the key isn't ours. It's not yours for sure. Give it to me. Please just give it to me. I want to know what door can be opened with this. Would be Carlisle's gift. Action towards you is simply none. I'm Fran. You are very honest. I like that. I'm a person. Fran, pleased to meet you. Interesting. Tell us more. I had a cat. Well, he's missing now. I have to find him. Really? Key now? Can I have the key now? Look, person, Fran. We came from the south, flying as always. But one of us got curious about this key. Got us stuck here. And because of our long hair, we can't get loose. I help? Can I help? We usually get stuck on trees, but we have something to fix that. A beautiful comb to comb our hair every time we get stuck. Give it to me to comb and I'll fix you. But here's the problem. If you took the comb, now we're stuck here forever. But if you find the thief and the comb, you'll have a deal. What does he look like? It's a rat. A filthy nurse's rat. He took the comb to be beautiful. We couldn't do so much. Ran away with it. Please find it and free us from curiosity. Try my best. Be here waiting. Of course you will. Okay. I'm gonna take these off. I don't have my pills on. Hello, Mr. Owl. Look at this. What's this? Make an entry. This right here. What's on here? Oh! Does it mean it literally? Make it like a door? Hello. Got this. Hello? Oh wow, you really are a very big ant. Who was that? You real? Excuse me, sir. Are you real? You always ask me the same thing, always. What do you mean? By always? What do you mean by always? Of course I'm real. Where did you come from? Here's the mental hospital, but please don't tell anyone. I won't tell anyone, but what are you doing here? Bad things happen. Happened to me, sir. I'm looking for a cat. Cat, you say? A black cat? Yes, sir, a black cat. Big yellow eyes, Mr. Midnight. Well, let's see. Sorry, little girl. Yeah, no, you haven't seen it? Happens to be the cat has been eaten, chewed, and swallowed. Eaten? What do you mean? Black cat has came towards me in a hurry. I captured and gave it to my beetle pig. Beetle pig is my poor beetle pig hasn't had any food in days. Blueberry time has passed by and we ate all them all. Stop it. Can't you see Mr. Mike? It's the only one I have. Please tell me that you're joking. Oh, you little girl, don't cry. You're sick if you like. What will I do? Now, you don't know how it feels to be alone. I do know. I do know. Yes. I'm the last one to live. Let me help you. Yes. How can you help? How could you possibly help me? The digestion's not that fast. Baby's still alive in the beetle pig. Make it so I should do something. Make the beetle pig vomit. Kill the beetle pig. He is the only friend I have, but I need the meat. I can kill a beetle pig friend. I can do it. I can do it. Yes. Do it. You can kill the beetle pig, and I, Antonio the Greatest, shall eat meat. Alright, so I have an axe, so let's kill this dude. Again, the pig won't stay still. Oh yeah, I have this, so... Ah, the threat. Great, it's great. Wake up. Sir, wake up. I think the beetle kid doesn't like the idea of being killed. Oh, I see. That's completely normal, isn't it? What should I do? Well, what should I do then? I have to give him the special blueberries. Right? But there are no blueberries in the woods. I shouldn't say this to you, but I have the right connections. I live inside my house. They have blueberries. Hey, my house is in that direction. Careful. I see. Thank you, sir. Hello. Where's the boy of this? Hello. What happened to you? There's your friend. I'm in danger. Hello. It needs to be open, but it's dark. What's coupled with that? Here's Johnny! Oh no, I broke the door. How could I get in? Here, I'll take this. You. This is glue. That's glue. I also need this so I can make a door. The Queen of Meat. Hello. Oh, that's sad. I need a way to stop him. What happens if I do this? Oh god. What the heck? I'm not taking that bag. Damn. I have to get rid of them. There's meat up here. I could probably distract them. But if it wanted me, I can't reach it. Get on the chair. Okay. So now I think I can distract them. Yeah, so now I can get the bag. Alright, so it's... Examine. Bag shows an anti-bug sign. The bag is open. Huh. Oh, rat trap had some sort of card. Terminator. Dex is almost gone. Okay, so now this, I can... So now I can, when that guy tries to come at me, I can, stop him. There we go. Now I have him. Wait, do I? Yeah. Okay, I do. So now, I can go back and... Yeah. I don't even know, guys, what that was. Alright, so... Let's go get this beetle pig. Oh god. Oh, that's a rat. What? You're not my cat. Oh, miss, you saved me from my misery. Good for you, but I was hoping you'd find someone else. I assume that you're feeling disappointed. Who are you looking for? My lovely cat. My lovely cat, Mr. Midnight. Oh, Miss Lady. I'm not very fond of cats, you know. A black one was trying to catch me. Really? He seemed to get in trouble after. Wait, maybe he is my cat. Oh, lady, if he might, he is, then, then he is the one in trouble now. I don't even know. Sorry, I'm bad at reading. Just kidding. I could show you. Here we are. Somebody took him, miss. They just disappeared. Oh goodness, be more specific. I wish I could tell you, but it looked like the ear swallowed them. Anything I could do for you? Let me know. Excuse me, did you steal a hair comb? Oh, the hair comb. A shiny, beautiful hair comb. Give it to me, right away. Alright then. But you must please comb my hair first. Yes. I can comb your hair. Thank you, my lady. You are very kind. Okay. Now we can comb the hair of them. Those people. Here's your beautiful comb, mistress. Thank you, Fran. Thank you, Fran the person. Finally did it. Hope the key opens the door you wish to open. You know if I've got at last. Goodbye. Whatever that is. I don't feel like reading it, but hey, got a key. Now I actually need to build this. So if I can come so fine with glue. Yes. Fine. Hey. Use wait here. No, I can't. Alright. So now I can go through there. Yeah. What a curious little door. Well, hello. I wonder where they would lead me. Mr. Midnight, are you here? Oh, hello. Who's that? I'm gonna have to end this episode here, guys. I don't know how short this was. I think this was short, guys. But anyways, I have to leave. Well, not really, but bye. Hopefully it saves this.